Good day, everybody, and thank you for joining me as we unbox my new Apple MacBook Air, the M2 version, which finally arrived today. Thank you for joining as we unbox and see what's inside. Let's go. And what we have here is a 8 GB, which can be configured up to 16 GB or 24 GB depending on your choice, and a storage which is 256 GB, and you can, if you want, you can get it up to 512, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes. I am switching to a MacBook Air for the first time, and I am switching from a HP Pavilion that I've used for the past 10 years. So this is definitely a huge change for me. Those who have any advices or any feedbacks or any tips or any shortcuts, feel free to drop it in the comments. I would love to see them, try them. Look at the size difference. My old laptop is as big as the whole package itself. That is mad. Now let's start breaking into it. The packaging is amazing. Apple never disappoints. Moment of truth. Let's see. Wow. Even in the wrap it looks beautiful. Now inside the box we have the midnight blue MacBook Air. It looks very sleek, very light. Even in the wrap it looks beautiful. We have the USB-C power adapter. It's a 30-watt. There's the input. And then we have the instruction packaging. Let's see, a few more things in there. This thing. And we have I believe the Apple sticker, yep. An Apple sticker, which is the same color as the laptop. The midnight blue, I love it. Very different, very unique. And I'm definitely keeping that, saving that. Nothing else in there. And now we have the matching colored USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable. Charging cable is 2 meters long, and it is the same color as the laptop itself, midnight blue. I love it, love the rope texture. Nothing in the box. Time for the laptop. Now as we open that, oh my, look at that. The beautiful metallic color. I believe this is the first time the midnight blue and darker version has been in the metallic color for a MacBook. This is love at first sight, I believe. Look at that. This 11 millimeter thick, which is amazing. Sleek. The midnight blue is hard to tell, but once you put it in the color on a bright area, you can see it, and I just love it. They have the 4 rubber stops. It kind of helps you not slip around. Let's see. Let's open. Oh, it starts right up. Wow. Just wow. Oh, look at that. Hello. Now, the one thing I did notice, and I've noticed everybody had the same complaint, is stains, smudge marks. I've kept a cleaning cloth. You can find anywhere if you have glasses, use those. Just keep it clean if you want it, or if you can, get a case. Since I love the midnight blue, I bought a clear case. I do have to return this case because it's not the right fit, but I did notice in Amazon they have the release date for the specific for M2 versions. Now let's see the MagSafe. They did bring it back, which I love it. I love that. There we go. Oh, that's pretty hard. Oh, I thought it was gonna snap right off. That's actually pretty hard to take. Hard to get off. It's pretty impressive. Now for comparison, let's see what I'm switching to from. Wow, look at this difference. At least 2 inches on the side, an inch on the top. Now we have the basic setup, the language, English, region. Let's keep going until we find United States. There we go. Now I did come across a migration assistance. It says it can go from Mac to Mac, or it can go from PC to Mac, which I will do it later. I know it takes a while because I've done that before with my phone, and no, I'm not doing it right now. Now we have the Apple sign-in. Then you have the user agreement that you have to read. Now, using my old laptop for 10 years, a lot of the things I do want to bring over, like my hard drive, which has an old USB pin. I went on Amazon and found the adapter for it. I'll drop the link on my in the description. It was very cheap on Amazon. If you were to go on Apple, get one through Apple, it is very expensive. So it works the same. Finally, fingerprint done, and we are in. I won't lie, this looks absolutely stunning. It looks beautiful. We are on Apple, the website. Look at that. I just love how the lights are glaring off the keyboards. Wow, I just love the sleekness of it. I don't know, I've said that word many times throughout the video, but I won't stop saying it. The bezel, on the other hand, a lot of people have complained about it. A lot of people liked it. You get used to it. When that notch came on the iPhone, that was a lot of people complained about it. Now nobody complains about it. Everybody likes it.
It's so big. And this is Joey Chestnut, the fastest competitive eater in the entire world. I'm hungry. And not only does he hold the record for hot dogs eaten, but he has so many more. Here's
now they have the different color options. I just went with midnight blue. I love it.